Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I can show you one website where we can create a very high quality Dofollow profile backlink. So the website name is cordy.com and this website is highly related for the music industry and the artist and the film industry. So if you are working in the same, so this website is very high relatable for you, and otherwise you guys will also create a Dofollow profile backlink on this site. Okay. So now we can start. So before that we can research something about that website. So according to Acharya, the domain rating is 72 and according to Moj, the domain authority is 57, and according to similar web, this website drawing 1.1 million traffic and mostly traffic from USA, Canada, UK, Germany, Philippines. So this website having that kind of country traffic. So if you're wanting to increase crawlability, audience, traffic source, brand building, that kind of things, so must you guys have to list your backlink on that website. So we have completed our research process. So now we can start. Before that, if you are new on this channel, so you can hit the subscribe and like button. So this is the website dashboard. So you can click on the menu section. There is my songs book button. You can click over there. Then you can find the interface. There is a login/register. You can click on the register button. There you guys can fill your email address and your username. After that you can click on the register button. The new user was registered with the same IP address as you within the last hour to prevent register flooding. Okay, so actually just a couple of minutes ago I have created account with the help of another Gmail ID. So that's how I before that I'm verifying to how we will create backlink on this site. So simply you guys can click on this section and you guys will add your username and your password. So let me show you. So you guys can click on the register. There you guys can fill your username and the email ID. After that this website can send you a verification email. So whether you can see in the same section there I have created account. So in the DML training for our personal website, and you guys can see I received 10 minutes ago the verification email. So once you guys can add email and the username, after that this website send you a verification email to reset your password. After that you can click on this link, you can reset your password, set your password, and you guys are able to enter in this website. This video is sponsored by Intensely. So every businesses should get listed on Intensely. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO. Quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlink to your sites. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable Dofollow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your businesses plus 10 of your clients. Once you guys can complete these things, after that you guys can click on this section with your icon, your profile section, and there after that you guys will add your identity. You can click on the identity. There you guys can update your company name, your website URL. There you guys can add your website URL, your location, your social media channels, and suppose that also, okay, I don't have a Twitter. So and you guys can skip these things and you can click on the update profile button after that, and you guys can update your signature as well. So in the signature section, whether you guys can add a company description. So this is a description I have generated. You can click on and you can update, and if you wanting to update avatar, so you can see there is a avatar section. They can accept for 60 by 60 pixel. So if you are having 60 by 60 pixels, so you can upload these things. Otherwise you can, let me check, this is should be uploaded. No, the selected file was too large to upload, so you can keep under 10 KB. Then you guys are able to update your signature. So once you guys can complete all the things, you can click on the your section, your profile section, and you can see this is your profile landing page URL, and I can show you this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So you can see this is 100% do follow backlink. So this is your real name, country, and this is your backlink, and this is your description. So I can show you this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So you guys can see it's 100% do follow backlink. There is no any indication for the no follow or no referral. So we have created a very high quality do follow profile backlink on this site. And if you guys are relating to the music industry, so this is a very relatable site for you to you can create a backlink. Okay, so if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or you or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts on the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service project and suggestion, so I can provide my social details over the description section. So from there you guys can want to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys are new on this channel or if you guys are haven't subscribed this channel, so please, it's a humble request to you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. I hope you guys will understand and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, bye bye and take care.